Hello, hello, what's up? It's your boy OG returning. Shout out to my boy Nico for letting me borrow his Glock so we can do a little comparison. So, what do we have here? We have a Glock on the right side and a Turkish brand on the left side called the Derya. Let's open it. Let's open up the Glock first. All right. This is the California version, Glock 19 Gen 3. Let's do a little safety check first. Mag release. Nothing in the chamber. Now let's open the Derya. Okay. This is called the Derya Arms DY9 with a stock slide. No mag, no bullet in the chamber. So, let's talk about the difference. Original Glock 19 Gen 3, California compliant. DY9. This is supposed to be a copycat or a Glock clone, specifically for the Gen 3, Gen 4. Now, you all know the Glock 19, 17, 26, whatever they have in the California handgun roster. They're all banned. Not officially yet, but effective July 1st of this year, you cannot buy any more Glocks from the stores. The only way you could buy them is through a private party transfer or consignments. So, DY9, which costs about half the price of the Glock. So, ever wondering, why did I choose to get the DY9 instead of the Glock 19 now that they're all banned? I'm a budget guy. This one, DY9, costs half the price of the Glock. Sub 300, sub 600. High-end feature, affordable price. Glock, I don't know. They look too plain to me. The grip is a little thick. It's too snappy for me. Out of the box, what's it come with? Came with 2 mags, cleaning brush, easy reload tool. Sub 600, that's all you get for a Glock 19 Gen 3. I said Gen 3. That's what's only allowed in California, up to Gen 3. Not Gen 4, not Gen 5, not Gen 6. All right. Put this thing aside for now. DY9. What's it come with? Came with this infamous red cable lock, polymer lower, steel slide. Came with only 1 mag. That's one downside of it. 1 mag. Came with 3 adjustable palm swells. This is XL. This is large. And this is small. Cleaning tools. Optic plate. Go through that loaded chamber indicator. Mounting screws. What else? Oh, there's the Allen key right here that hard to get out. It's probably going to be stuck there forever. The thickness of the slide is identical. You see the back. It's almost the same, but the grip feels much better in the DY9 than the G19. DY9 came with a fiber optic front and rear sights. Front red, rear green. G19 is just basic, all white out. Front serrations, G19 doesn't come with anything. Rear serrations, it's about the same. Optic ready DY9, G19 doesn't come with optic ready slide. This is upgradable. You can upgrade this to an MOS slide. The thing is, that's going to cost you about $400. Everything here costs you less than $300. This one costs about $550 to $600 before they were banned. If you had to upgrade this, $400. Yeah, so come with a pick rail. Comes with a pick rail. This one, it's got the textured gas pedal or thumb rest. This one, G19 doesn't come with any, so you gotta have good grip in order for you to mitigate the recoil. Slide release, I don't know about this. Let's see. I don't know if I know like that. This is so flat and flush. I don't know. This one, yep, much better. All right, trigger. Oops. That was good. Yeah, DY9 trigger is a lot better than the G19 for me. Mag release, DY9 has the extended one. G19, super small. So, having a thicker grip, it's going to be hard for you to reach that. You got to have big hands, or you got to break your grip. You have to break your grip in order for you to release that and apply much pressure. Yeah, that's that. DY9, you don't have to break that grip as much as the G19. Just like that. All right, grip textures. They're the same, almost the same. This one just has a thicker grip. And with this little grooves right here, it could be uncomfortable, but I don't think it bothers me. So textures, this one, the DY9 is more aggressive than the G19. Thumb placement. It's about the same. All right. This one has a little bit more checkering than this one. It's a little bit more aggressive. The only downside is this screw right here. What the heck is this? It's popping out like a mole. I don't know if it came with it. Somebody lost it and put a non-flush screw right here, but it doesn't look good. So. All right, so flared mags comes with the external flared mags right here. The DY9, same with the G19. Let's check the internal components. Trigger. Ay. Okay, so DY9, G19. So DY9 came with dual stage recoil spring guide rod. G19 came with just a one stage. Barrel's the same. Since this is a G19 clone, they said you can use G19 mags or the slide for the DY9, so they're interchangeable. So let's check it out. G19 and the DY9 lower. It's real good. G19 mag. All right, so here comes the problem. In order for you to place the G19 or whatever Glock mags you have, you're gonna have to remove this flare mag. Otherwise, you're gonna have problems. Let's try the G19 lower with the DY9 upper. I don't know if that's gonna allow us. Nope, it does not fit. It does not fit. This thing's too big. That's crazy, huh? So it's not a true clone. But anyway, let's put that aside. Let's check the internal components. Trigger housing, it's the same. So I decided to get this one as well. It's called the DY9 Island Barrel Slide. So this one, sub 300. The MOS slide for the G19 without porting, 400. But you can avail a ported one, which comes optic ready also. It's called the Radian Ramjet. Costs about 400 also. But since Glocks are banned, what's the point? You have until July 1st. If they're still selling in the stores. I know Glocks, all Glocks and Glock clones are sold out everywhere. The only thing you have available are the DY9s, the Turners. They still sell it. It's because they just got it in the handgun California roster last year. There's too much supply, it's not much demand. They'd rather get the Glocks than the clone. But for me, I think this has more high-end features at an affordable price. As far as reliability, we don't know. Nothing's going to beat the Glocks, but I got to shoot this 1,000 more rounds before I could decide if it's reliable or not. We'll find out a few years from now. All right, DY9 slide. Let's try this on the Glock. So the stock DY9 slide didn't fit the G19. Now let's check if this would fit. And it does. It does not fit. I was mistaken. So which one's going to shoot flatter? I put my bets on the DY9. And then we're going to slap on the Allen barrel for a good measure. Only way you could get these is through private party transfers or consignments. Consignments cost about double or triple the price of the original price of the Glock. It's up to you. You're buying history. You're buying turkey. What would you do? DY9, still available at Turner's. I'll see you at the range. This is hella snappy. Yep. Much better. Okay, let's try it again. DY9 Island. Alright, let's see how flat this is.